What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making, what the heck am I making? Okay, I'm making anchovy green sauce with pop chop. I'm going to start the pop chop, dusting with flour. And I already marinated. Just a little salt and little thyme. Oh, at least a couple hours. I use this thing to poke it and for the flavor to go in better. And also to tenderize it. The Chinese people use this for barbecue pork. I cut it thin, but you can buy thin pop chop. I'm going to almost like shallow frying it. I put 3 tablespoons of oil and then I'm going to dust it.
Will it splash?
Not really because it has flour in it. I'm not doing like egg wash and stuff. Shake it off. I took it out from the refrigerator because it's better to cook it when it's a little bit more like room temperature. The oil looks pretty hot. Shake it, shake it. Do they still sell shake and bake?
I think so.
Oh, I remember the first time was my parent was here, and then they come back with shake and bake with a plastic bag. But we didn't really have an oven. I don't know how we cook it. Okay, it looked like pretty hot. Now I'm gonna put it in slowly. Not bad, right? Colvin, you better be hungry. Don't put too many at the same time because I think 3 is okay. Also, these are thin, or else we're going to be here all night. Don't move it and let it cook. See that? And then it starts rounding the edge. Then I can start flipping it. It might splash because somehow it has juice come up. Ooh, looks good, Colvin. The burner is not even. Okay, I'm going to put it on paper towel. You can smell it. We should be using like roasted garlic. You know that we don't have an oven. Then I'm going to cook on the stove with a little oil. Meanwhile, I will chop up the parsley in the food processor.
You get that green one?
No, I got that in Italy. I'm going to use the stem too because we're going to chop it up. Wow, it smells good. I love the smells of parsley.
Yeah.
Don't drop it on the floor, Joyce. With this much parsley, we should use a big one.
Yeah, right.
Put this in. Well, by the time I'm finished, it's not going to be that much. And I'm going to put the rest of them in here. I'm going to put it in the food processor to chop it up. But I don't want to have that raw garlic flavor. That's why I cook it a little bit. I turned it off because I don't want to burn it. I'm going to flip it. Electrical cooking, you have to adjust because even you turn it off, the plate's still hot. And then I'm going to transfer it into the food processor. Colvin, this is going to be enough sauce.
You think?
It better be. Okay. You can smell it.
Yeah.
This is done. Paper. It's a jar with salt. I rinse it off.
Oh, nice.
TJ Maxx. I'm going to cut this. This is pine village stay here. Okay, I'm going to put it in the mortar. Right? Lemon juice. Get a little lemon zest. Don't get to the white because it's bitter. And then lemon juice. That's a trick to do. Lemon juice.
Using your lemon tool.
Because I don't want to wash it.
Yeah.
I'm just
doing Colvin.
I'm just getting like 2 tablespoons anchovy.
Where'd you get that?
Trader Joe. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then old-fashioned mustard with the seed. How can you not like it? And chop. This will be good because I have a little more juice from the lemon. Usually with the roasted garlic will be perfect to like smash it in here.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to add
all of it.
Why not?
Yeah. Just checking.
And that's the sauce. And you can put olive oil, but I'm going to put truffle oil.
Ooh.
Just folded it in. You want to taste?
Sure.
Let me
After the
look
truffle oil?
Yeah, after the truffle oil. Truffle oil. I thought that was a lot of food when we start, but doesn't look like it.
It shrunk.
Cut this. I'm getting really hungry. Smelling all this food. Put a little sauce in here. Colvin, that's not enough. You can have the whole bowl.
Okay.
Okay. Picture time.